Ready to ride the meme coin wave without wiping out? First, head over to Dexscreener.com, your all-in-one hub for crypto tracking. No registration needed, dive right in. Hit the pairs tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a live feed of token pairs across different decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. Narrow your search by selecting your blockchain of choice: Ethereum, Solana, Base. The options are endless. Find the chain where your meme coin is traded. Now, type the meme coin's ticker symbol into the search bar. Make sure you're selecting the correct pair, paying close attention to the DEX it's listed on. Scammers love to create fake tokens. Once you've got your coin, focus on the key data: price, liquidity, volume, and of course, the chart. Liquidity is KY. A high liquidity pool means easier buying and selling with less slippage. Check the age of the liquidity pool. Newer coins can be riskier, but also offer higher potential gains. Older pools generally mean more stability, but less explosive growth. Scroll down to the transactions section, see who's buying and selling, and the size of their trades. Large buys can signal growing interest, while consistent sells might indicate profit-taking. Analyze the chart using different time frames: 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. Look for patterns and trends, but remember, meme coins are highly volatile. Dexscreener is a powerful tool, but it's not a crystal ball. Always do your own research, manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now go forth and meme responsibly.